Hello friends. Today we will discuss about the dynamic programming technique, which is another method for the designing of algorithm. The dynamic programming, this was invented by Richard Bellman in 1950s as a general method for optimizing multi-stage decision processes. Here, the word programming refers to a tabular method or planning, not to write the computer code, which is the general method of the which is the general meaning of the programming in computer science. Dynamic programming is like the divide and conquer method, which solve problems by combining the solutions to the subproblem. But the difference is that dynamic programming is applied when the subproblems overlap. In this case, the divide and conquer algorithm doesn't does more work than necessary, which is repeatedly solving the common subproblems. A dynamic programming solves each subproblem just once and then solve its answer in a table, so it avoids the work of recomputing the answer every time, and it solves each subproblem. The divide and conquer, you can say that it is a bottom up approach, whereas the divide and conquer, the dynamic programming is a bottom up approach, whereas the divide and conquer is a top down approach. The main advantage of dynamic programming is that it solves every instance exactly once, whereas the divide and conquer compute the solution, uh, the same subproblem every time or many times. With the help of dynamic programming, we can solve various problems like matrix chain multiplication problem can be can be solved by using the dynamic programming. The Floyd algorithms for all pair shortest path problem. The Floyd all pair shortest path problem provides the shortest path between all pairs of nodes in a directed or undirected graph. So this can be also solved by using the dynamic programming. The binary search tree problem is insertion and deletion, and all the other various can also be solved by using dynamic programming. Okay. Now, the 0 1 max up problem can also be solved by using dynamic programming. Can also be solved by using dynamic programming. See, the 0/1 max up is different than the fraction max up, which was solved by using the greedy algorithm. The fractional max up problem uh, gives the value of each instance from 0 to 1, means the value of xi maybe 0, maybe 0.1, maybe 0.2, and so on up to 0.9 and 1. But here, in case of next step, 0 1 next step problem, which is solved by using dynamic programming, here the value of x is either 0 or 1. So, another problem which can also be solved by using the dynamic programming is the longest common subsequence problem. Okay, so these are the few examples, few problems which can be solved by using the dynamic programming. Thank you, friends. We will meet in next video. Thank you.